Jai Ho students, welcome back to SKCBSE's Digital class session. Dear students, in previous class we have discussed the closure property under addition and subtraction. Clear? So we have studied that whole numbers are closed under addition and whole numbers are do not closed under subtraction. That we have discussed. Now we have to see the whole numbers, the closure property under multiplication. Under multiplication means we have to go for finding the product of any two whole numbers, and we have to see what the product we get is that value a whole number or not. So just we have to see a general formula for the closure property of whole numbers under multiplication. So what is that general formula? So for every A and B, any two whole numbers we have to take, that is A and B, those whole numbers we can take, and for every A and B belongs to W, that is the set of whole numbers. Then what is the operation they have given here? Multiplication. That is A into B is equals to whatever the product we get, that is another whole number, if that is belongs to W. Is it belongs to W? Yes. So that whole number, whatever the product we get, that is also one of the whole number. It makes the statement of this formula, that is the product of any two whole numbers, the product of any two whole numbers is always a whole number. It is always a whole number. Whatever the product we obtain, that is what we can say a whole number. Any two whole numbers we have to take, we have to find their product. What product we obtain, that is also a whole number. Okay, so let us take one example. What is that example? That is, let A is equals to 17. A is 17 and B is also another number 3. B is 3. See here, for every A and B. So here A is 70, one of the whole number. B is also 3. This is also one of the whole number. A and B are the two whole numbers, and what we need to find? Their product. What we need to find? Product. That is A into B is equals to, we have to find the product, that is 17 into 3. So 17 3s are 51. So 51 is also one of the whole number. 51 is what? One of the whole number. This is also whole number. You can take one more example. Is 0 a whole number? Yes, 0 is a whole number. 0 into any number you can take. Product is also 0. So that is also belongs to set of whole numbers. It means by seeing this example, we can say that whole numbers are closed under multiplication. We are using which operation? Multiplication. Therefore, whole numbers are closed. It means closure property is applicable for the multiplication of whole numbers. Whole numbers are closed under which operation? Multiplication. Under multiplication. Under multiplication. It means the closure property is applicable for the multiplication of whole numbers. So this is the general formula for the closure property of whole numbers under multiplication. Now another operation, that is under addition or subtraction, and third one multiplication, and the last one is under division. So we have to study closure property of whole numbers under division. Now we have to see the closure property of whole numbers under division. So formula for this is, for every A and B both are the whole numbers. Both are present in the set of whole numbers. For every A and B belongs to W. So here what we have to take? Division. Yes, that is A divided by B is equals to C. One more number we obtain, that number is not in the set of whole numbers. Clear? Dear students, this is the symbol used mathematically, that is for every A and B, every number. That is W is the set of integers. This is the symbol used for belongs to, that will be present. Which will be present? A and B are the numbers which are in the set of whole numbers. Belongs to, and this is not belongs to. This number, whatever the C we get, that will not be present in the set of whole numbers when we take A and B are any whole number. Yeah. So here it means, here what you will get? The division of any two whole numbers is not a whole number every time. Every time the division of two whole numbers is not a whole number. Yeah. Therefore the division of that is quotient, we can say division of, or you can say quotient. The division of the quotient of two numbers, two whole numbers. The division of two whole numbers is not a whole number. That is not a whole number. Only sometimes it will be applicable. For example, I take 16 divided by 4. So value will be 4. That will be belongs to W. Yeah. So 16 is one of the whole number. 4 is one of the whole number. Their division quotient, what we get? 4. That is also belongs to W. But some numbers you can take. 16 divided by 0. So this is its value is infinity, not defined. Yeah, meaningless. Clear? So this type of numbers we cannot find in the set of whole numbers. Clear? So for that purpose we have to use for every whole number. The division of two whole numbers is not a whole number for every whole numbers. For every whole numbers. numbers. So that we can take one example. What is that example? Example, you take that. Let one example, A should be 13. A is 13. Is it a whole number? Yes. And B is equals to 7. B is equals to 7. So 13 by 7. So A divided by B is equals to 13 divided by 7. So 13 by 7 you do. So division of 7 by 13. 37 ones are 7. So how much you get? 6. Yeah. So 6, then 0.0 you take. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Again 4 we get. So such type of numbers we cannot find in the set of whole numbers. So that's why this any number which are in the form of decimal, which are in the form of fraction, those are not belongs to W. It means they are not in the set of whole numbers. It means is it applicable, which that is closure property under division, is it applicable for whole numbers, for every whole numbers? No. It means whole numbers are not closed under division. Therefore, whole numbers are not closed under division. So these all four are the operations which are used for the closure property of whole numbers. So by seeing all these four operations, whole numbers are closed under addition, whole numbers are not closed under division, whole numbers are closed under multiplication, and whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Clear? So by seeing these generally we can conclude that whole numbers are closed only on addition and multiplication. Whole numbers are not closed under subtraction and division. Clear? I hope you understood. These all one property, that is closure property of whole numbers under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in the next class we study the closure property of integers, another type of number, that is integers, that we discuss. So till that, take care. Jai.